The book I refer is UUM, Foundation of Finance, second edition by Mrs. Mahfuzah Salim. Hi, I'm Mustaqim Baharin, and today I want to talk about bond evolution. There is 5 important relationships. The first is first relationship. Sometimes you need to go. What is first relationship? First relationship is the value of bond or negatively related to change in the investor present required rate of return. In the other word, as interest rate decrease, the value of bond will decrease, whereas interest rate decrease, the value of bond will decrease. Sometimes you need to go. Okay, for the example, assume that the investor required rate of return given bond is 12%. The bond have a par value of Rm1,000 and the annual interest payment of Rm120, indicating 12% for coupon interest rate with 5-year maturity period. Sometimes you need to go. Okay, the formula for VB is I PVIFA IN plus 1000 PVIF IN. Okay, first you take 120 PVIF 12% in 5 years plus 1000 PVIF 12% in 5 years. Okay, first you input 120 3.605 plus 1000 0567 equal to 999.60 or Rm1000. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back. Sometimes you need to go. What happened to the value of bond when investor required rate of return increase from 12 to 40%? Okay, this is easy because you must change the 12% to 40%. Okay, first you take 120 PVIF 14% in 5 years plus 1000 PVIF 14% in 5 years. You can get 123.4331 plus 1000 0.4194. You can get Rm931372. Sometimes you need to go. Okay, in contrast, the required rate of return is decreased from 12% to 8%. The formula is 120 times PVIFA 8% 5 years and plus 1000 times PVIF 8% in 5 years. You get 120 times 3.9927 plus 1000 and times 0.6806. The equal is Rm1159.724. Sometimes you need to go. At the graph, you can see the 8%, the value of bond is Rm1159724. For the 12% is Rm100. And for the 40% is Rm931.372.
Hello, I'm Xing Jie. I will be talking about the second relationship in the finance. We have 3 important parts in the finance. They have first part, second part, and the third part. We can see this in the textbook in the page 111. For the example, when the par value of bond is 1000 ringgit, the investor required rate of return is 12% and the coupon interest rate is 12%. From this picture, we can see that when the bond value is 1000 ringgit, its required rate is 12%. When the required rate is decreased to 8%, the bond value is 1.1 thousand. If the required rate is increased to 14% and the bond value is 931 ringgit. We are going to the first part. The par value of bond is 1000 ringgit. Investor required rate of return is 12% and the coupon interest rate is 12%. Find the value of the bond. The first part, required rate equal to coupon rate, then market value, then equal to par value. The required rate is 12% and the coupon rate is 12%, then the market value is 1000 ringgit and the par value equal to 1000 ringgit. Now we are going to the second part. We imagine that the required rate of return increased from the 12% to the 14%. The required rate bigger than the coupon rate, then market value equal to par value. Required rate is 15%, then bigger than the coupon value, which is 12%, then market value is 931 and the par value is 1000. We can see this easily at the picture I have shown that before that. Okay, the last part is the third part. In this part, we imagine that the required rate of return decreased from 12% to 8%. The required rate is less than the coupon rate, then market value equal to par value. The required rate is 9%, less than the coupon rate, which is 12%. Then the par market value is 1.1 ringgit and the par value is 1000. We can see this easily from the picture I have shown that at the beginning of the video. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Siti Binti Abdullah and I'm gonna explain to you about this. First, you have to open this book at page 112 like this. Okay, after that we need to use this formula VB equal to I, PV, IFA, I, and okay, this is the question. Before that, we have to find this expected rate of return, par value, coupon rate, and maturity period. Okay, this is the question. Assume that investor required rate of the return is 10%. The bond has a par value of 1000 and annual interest payment at 120, indicating 12% coupon rate, and maturity period is 5 years. Then we have to write down, and we need this table PVIFA and also PVIF table. Okay, I already write down expected rate 10%, par value, and also that. Okay, next we use the same formula for this one. Okay, coupon rate.
Hi, my name is Xing Jie 262078. I want to continue about the fourth relationship. So please turn to the page of 113. What is fourth relationship? Fourth relationship is the long-term bond which is greater than the interest rate risk compared to short-term bond. Second is when the current interest rate change, the market value of bond also will change. Let us see for the example first. The example 7 shows that the market value for A. The table shows 12% coupon rate bond maturing in the required rate, which is 9%, and the maturing period is 5 years. First, we want to find the required rate of return, and then coupon rate, and then market value. The market value is the par value, and the fourth is the maturity period. So first step, we would like to find the coupon payment first, which is 0.12 times 100%, and then we will get 120 for the coupon payment. After that, we put inside the value into the formula. The formula is value bond equal to the I, PVIFA, I, N plus 1000 PVIF, I, N. So The I is the coupon payment that we calculate just now, 120, PVIF 9%, 5 years plus 1000, PVIF 9%, 5 years, and then equal to the 120, 3.8897. This value we can find from we refer to the table of the PVIF, which is this table, and then we see for the 9% and then for the 5 years, which is 3.8897, and then for the PVIF we can refer to the PVIF table, which is this one, 9% and the 5 years, which is 0.6499. Then after that, calculate all these value, and then the last answer we will get 1116.664 ringgit. And the other example is for the 10 years. The 10 years also calculate like just now, like this. That's all.
Fixed relationship is the sensitivity of a bond value to charging interest rates depend not only on the length of the time to maturity, but also on the pattern of cash flow provided by the bond. This is a yield to maturity formula. This is an example of bond expected rate of return. From this question, we need to highlight 20 years old bond, 90% interest rate annually, 1000 par value, and bond say at 945. First, we need to determine the coupon payment. 9% multiplied with 1000, we get 90. To calculate YTN, we need to find I, PO, MO, and N. I is 90, PO is 1000, MO is 945, and N is 20 years. Write down YTN formula and calculate. Will we get answer 9.537%? Okay, next question we need to highlight 11% corporate, semi-annual payment, 1000 per value, 50 year, and maturity 1159.40. First, find coupon payment. 11% multiplied with 1000, we get 110. Next, follow the YTN formula and calculate. On this question, we need to divide I with 2, and multiply with 2, and multiply the answer with 2, and we will get answer 9.204%. Next question is making decision. On this question, we need to highlight 8% corporate, 1000 per value, 20 years, and 7% of return. First, we need to find I. I is 8% multiplied with 1000, and we get 80. On this question, we need to refer table PVIFA and PVIF. For PVIFA 7% 20 year, we will get 10.5940. For PVIF 7% 20 years, we will get 0.2584. Net multiply 18 with 10.5940, and we will get 847.52. Multiply 1000 with 0.2584, and we will get 258.40. Next, RM 847.52 plus RM 258.14, and we get answer RM 1105.92. Next question. If the market price of the bond is RM 1200, should you purchase the bond? The answer is decided not to purchase because the market price of the bond is higher than unrestricted value. This will consider basis bond and overvalue stock. See question. What about if the market price is 900? Should you purchase the bond? The answer is yes, decided to purchase because the market price of the bond is lower than the intrinsic value and is considered cheaper and undervalued stock. Last question. What is the market price of the bond is RM 1105.92. Should you purchase the bond? The answer is the bond is considered fair value. Depend on the investor, either want to purchase or not.